Hi, today's style is a fun combo style with braids and elastics. This is a really easy style to do, and it's great for little girls who are busy because it stays put all day. So let's get started. Now, I totally recommend to do this style on damp hair. It makes it so much easier. Now to start, you're going to put a part right down the center of the head. And then at the crown of the head, to the left ear, you're going to make another part. Now just comb that section out and add an elastic. Right here, we're just going to be adding all of our ponytails for the style. It makes it a lot easier to do it. So now go halfway down and make another section of hair, just right in the middle of the head. Comb that section out and add another elastic. Now go back to the top and go to the right ear, and you're going to just do the same thing as you did on the left side. Add an elastic in that top right side. Make another part and add an elastic with that middle section. Just smooth it out and add another elastic. Okay, so now we have this bottom section. So we are going to make one ponytail out of this section. So just spray it down with some water. Like I said, it's a lot easier to do if it's wet. I just comb that hair into a little ponytail, and I'm going to add another elastic. And this time I make the elastic as low to the bottom of the head as I can. So now we have our 5 ponytails. So starting with the top right ponytail, we're just going to do a 3-strand braid, make it long enough that it goes to the middle of the head, and then just get a clip and clip it off just so that it will stay put. Do the same thing with the top left ponytail. Just braid it until it hits the middle, and then grab that braid and the braid that we did the first time and connect them together right in the middle of the head, right where that part line is. Now we're going to comb out that strand of hair and do another 3-strand braid. Now this braid just needs to go about 4 or 5 inches down, so not too far. And then right here I just added an elastic. You can put a clip if you want. Now with that middle braid on the right side, do another 3-strand braid and add a clip to the end of it, or an elastic, like I said, whatever you want. Do the same thing with the left side. The hair is getting a little dry, so I just added some water here. I'm going to link the water bottle that I use because it's really awesome, and it's a mist water bottle, and I'll put that below. So now we have our 3 braids. So take that left braid, the middle braid, and the right braid and connect them together with yet another elastic. So now we're going to take that strand of hair from that ponytail and do one more braid down. And we're going to do that until it reaches the ponytail at the bottom of the head and add another elastic. Now we have our ponytail. You can just leave this straight, put curls in it. I decided to do another braid. We were going to have a very busy day and I just didn't want her hair anywhere, so we just did the braid to keep it out of her face. And now here's my trick for adding a ribbon. I like to grab the elastic, get my ribbon, put it through the elastic, just keeps it in place, and then tie your bow. I really like to use sheer ribbon. It seems to stay put a lot better than like the silky ribbon, so that is my personal preference. Now here's the final style. This style is so easy to do. It does not take a lot of time. It's great for busy days. It's great for swimming, and I promise it'll stay put all day, and I hope that you enjoy recreating it on your own. As always, thank you so much for watching. We love creating these tutorials for you, and we hope that you enjoy recreating them on your own. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. We'll see you on our next one. Thanks. Bye.